what he did. Yep, stay off my property. Yep, and there's the stake. Big old survey.
Where's your survey stake?
That is my survey stake, Debbie.
This is mine.
No, it's not. Prove it. Prove it.
Yours?
Prove it.
I got two neighbors said you came on my property and said you're over. There's no survey stake up there. You better have survey stakes when the law comes. Because I got mine.
Well, bring them on out.
You got yours?
I don't need it because this is the property. No, I'm doing. Look, I just got you guys this. Check this out, you guys. That's the property line, Debbie.
That's my stake.
That's the property line. I got paperwork. I got all kinds. I got all
papers.
Yep.
You better have them.
I do. No, because the city owns 18-foot alley up there. Yeah. Oh, it's not you. And that we did have to call the cops. These are the cars.